Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs who lived with their mother. One day, their mother said, "You are all grown up now. It is time for you to go out into the world and build your own homes. But remember, always work hard and stay safe." The 3 little pigs packed their bags and set off on their journey. The first little pig was very lazy. He decided to build his house out of straw because it was quick and easy. The second little pig worked a bit harder but still wanted to finish quickly, so he built his house out of sticks. The third little pig was the most hardworking of all. He decided to build his house out of bricks. It took him a long time, but he knew it would be strong. One day, the big bad wolf came along. He was very hungry and saw the first little pig's straw house. He knocked on the door and said, little pig, let me come in." "Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin," cried the first little pig. "Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down," growled the wolf. The wolf huffed and puffed, and he blew the straw house down. The first little pig ran as fast as he could to his brother's house made of sticks. The wolf followed and knocked on the door. Little pigs, let me come in." "Not by the hair on our chinny chin chins," the 2 little pigs shouted. "Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down," the wolf roared. The wolf huffed and puffed, and he blew the stick house down. The 2 little pigs ran as fast as they could to their brother's house made of bricks. The wolf followed and knocked on the door. Little pigs, let me come in." "Not by the hair on our chinny chin chins," the 3 little pigs cried. "Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down." The wolf howled. The wolf huffed and puffed, but no matter how hard he tried, he couldn't blow the brick house down. He was very tired and very angry. "I will climb down the chimney," he decided. But the 3rd little pig had a big pot of boiling water waiting in the fireplace. When the wolf climbed down the chimney, he fell right into the hot water with a loud splash. "Ow!" he howled as he jumped out and ran away, never to be seen again. The 3 little pigs hugged each other happily. They had learned an important lesson. Hard work and perseverance always pay off. And from that day on, they lived happily